everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing quiz of H words. I will be showing you some videos and you have to guess the correct H word. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom, I'm excited.
Let's go. Can you guess what is this H word?
Hey!
Perfect. Can you guess what is this one?
Hat.
Amazing. And this one?
Hot air balloon.
Beautiful. Now, can you guess what is this?
Hive.
Yes, honeybees live in hive. Now, can you guess what is this important organ?
Heart.
Amazing. Now, time to guess this animal.
Hippopotamus.
Very good. What is this?
House.
Very good. Can you guess this one?
Hot dog.
Amazing. Now, time to guess this vehicle.
Helicopter.
Perfect. And what is this?
Hand.
Very good, kids. Now, time to guess this one.
Hammer.
Amazing. What is this?
Hamburger.
Perfect. Can you guess this one?
Hose.
Very good. Now, time to guess the next one.
Hair dryer.
Awesome. Now, can you guess this one?
Hand dryer.
Amazing. Now, what is this musical instrument?
Harp.
Perfect. Amazing, kids. You have guessed all the H words correctly. Thanks for learning with us. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.